In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retouch skin using Adobe Lightroom, cloud version, for that naturally smooth yet realistic look. This is a great tool for enhancing your portraits without leaving them looking overdone, so let's dive right in. To start, open Lightroom and navigate to All Photos or your desired album. Select the image that you wish to retouch. Once you have your photo up, enter the Edit workspace by clicking on the Edit icon or tab. This is where all the magic happens. Our first step in the editing process is to create a selective mask for the skin. Look for the masking icon in the right panel toolbar. It typically looks like a circle with a dotted outline. Click on it and then choose a mask type. You might have options like brush or, for some versions, an AI-based mask option such as face skin or skin mask. If available, the AI option can automatically locate your subject's face and create a mask for the skin, simplifying your task. If you're using the brush option instead, you'll want to carefully paint over the skin areas you wish to smooth. Be sure to avoid key facial features like the eyes, lips, and hair, because these areas benefit from retaining their natural detail. With your mask in place, it's time to apply some smoothing adjustments using the sliders in the Edit controls. Look for the Details or Effects subpanel. Start with the Texture slider. Move it to the left to reduce fine texture, softening the skin. You can also adjust the Clarity or Sharpness sliders to further smooth the look. If you're working on a mobile version of Lightroom, you might find this under the Details option, where you can fine-tune the noise reduction or reduce sharpness. The goal here is balance. You want the skin to appear smoother, but still natural. Avoid a plastic-like finish by maintaining some texture. Remember, subtlety is key. Once you're happy with the look, refine your mask using the Subtract tool or eraser to exclude any areas you don't want affected, like the eyes and lips. Adjust the feather or smoothness of your mask edges so the transition looks seamless. It's helpful to zoom in and out frequently to check that the effect works well at all sizes. Before you finish, make sure you use the Before-After Preview feature, commonly accessed with the # key or a dedicated preview button, to toggle between your original and edited image. Ensure the skin looks enhanced yet realistic. If it starts to look artificial, dial it back a bit. If the adjustments work well, you might want to apply them to other images. You can easily do this by copying and pasting the settings or saving a preset, especially if these images share similar lighting conditions or skin tones. And that's it. With these steps, you've learned how to subtly retouch skin in Lightroom to bring out the best in your portraits. Keep practicing, and soon, this will become second nature.